Good day, class. My name is Mr. Kingulu, and I'm here to take you on a very interesting topic in mathematics known as quadratic equation. Now, what's a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is an equation whose highest power is 2. And we have examples of quadratic equation here. I have 3 of them here. And we have different methods by which you can solve a quadratic equation. The first one is factorization method. The second one is completing the square method. The third is graphical method. And the fourth is the formula method. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will dwell more on the formula method. Now, I would like to quickly derive that formula for us, because in Nigeria here, that formula is called the almighty formula. I want to quickly derive that formula. And how do I do that? By writing first the general form of quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, this is the general form of quadratic equation. This a is the coefficient of x squared, this b is the coefficient of x, while this c is a constant there. Now, what's the first thing? By using completing the square method, using completing the square. So by using completing the square, the first thing I will do is to divide all through by the coefficient of a of s squared here, which is a. So I'm going to let me write this down again. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So I'll divide all through by a. So that will be ax squared divided by a plus bx divided by a plus c divided by a equals to 0. So a will cancel a here. I'm going to have s squared plus bx over a plus c over a equals to 0. So the next thing for me to do is for me to take this plus c over a to the other side. So I'm going to have s squared plus bx over a equals minus c over a. Now, if you are conversant with the method called completing the square method, you will know that the next thing to do is to add half of the coefficient of x here squared to both sides. So I'm going to add b over 2a squared to both sides. So I'm adding b over 2a squared to both sides. So that will give me x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a squared equals minus c over a plus b over 2a squared. So this is what I'm going to add next. So in the next line, by completing this square, I'm going to have x plus b over 2a squared. While this other side, I can rearrange this to become b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. So what do I do next? The next thing I'm going to do is to find the square root of both sides. Take square root of both sides. So I'm going to have x plus b over 2a equals to the square root of b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Don't forget to put plus or minus here. Alright? Since it's a square root, so square root can either be plus or minus. So the next thing for me to do is to simplify this fraction inside the square root sign. So I'm going to have 4a squared b squared minus 4ac. So as you can see, at the denominator here, I'm having 4a squared. I can quickly add the square root to this. So that becomes the square root of 4a squared is 2a. So the next thing I'm going to add is this. So we are almost at the end of getting the formula now. Just 2 or more steps to go. So the next thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take this b over 2a, I'll bring it to this other side. So it becomes x equals to minus b over 2a plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if I simplify this, since you can see this is a fraction, this is another fraction, and the denominator, both of denominators have 2a here, 2a here. So I can simplify this now to become 2a minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac. And this is the famous almighty formula that most Nigerian students are very familiar with. So if you hear a Nigerian student talking about almighty formula, this is what is referred to as the almighty formula. So thank you for listening. Thank you very much.